read to me daily. My future depends on it. Reading helps my imagination and creativity. I love reading books. Reading is help and grades. Reading will help me succeed in life. I like reading. Reading helps my brain. We bond when you read to me. Reading helps my listening skills. Reading helps empathy. Reading is fun. I love reading. Reading gives me a large vocabulary. Reading enhances my concentration. Reading is fun. My future and my success depend on it. So read to me.